Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So, first guys, okay, let's explain. We'll be demonstrating on 2016 F-150. You have two different fuse boxes. We'll start with the fuse box that's under the hood. Okay, and if you open the hood in your F-150, okay, that's the hood on your, that's the engine bay on your F-150. And right behind the car battery, right here, you have a fuse box, and that fuse box, if you remove the cover, you open that cover, you see a fuse layout that looks just like this one right here, guys. That's the fuse layout right here. And that will be the front of the truck, that's towards the back. Let's explain now why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money, guys.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the rear view camera fuses, we need to check here one fuse, but you can see you have, guys, different kinds of fuses and relays that could be Ford specific. They can be hard to find, expensive, or overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some spare fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. The fuse that we'll need to check will be in that fuse panel right here, and it will be that very top fuse, which is known as fuse number 36. Check this one out. Then you have one more fuse that's located in the interior fuse box, and the interior fuse box is located in the foot, okay, foot well right here, that kick panel. If you remove that cover here, you open it, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Let's zoom it in so we can clearly see now here. The fuse that you need to check for the rear camera, guys, will be known as fuse number 36, and we're talking about that fuse right here. You can see the number is next to it, number 36.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.